Today I'm going to be talking about Qigong and its 8 amazing health benefits. Qigong is a traditional Chinese meditation practice, very similar to Tai Chi, which can bring tremendous benefits to your health. By practicing it, you will be able to obtain many benefits for your health, both physically and psychologically. Qigong is based on the repetition of a precise series of movements, specially designed to give you health benefits at different levels. Qigong is extremely simple to learn and fun to practice. All you need is just a few minutes of Qigong practice a day to achieve a reinvigorating and rejuvenating effect, while a continuous method will give you even more profound benefits on the digestive, respiratory, and nervous system. At least in the sense of allopathic medicine, Qigong cannot and should not be regarded as medicine. It is an art that allows you to regain the ability to feel the life. It teaches how to sit and stand, and encourages learners to be quiet and walk, but only to forget all that we have learned to allow our internal light to pulsate and manifest. As an ancient Oriental admonition warns, there are no incurable diseases, there are incurable people. The goal of Qigong is to promote the movement of Qigong, that is, of energy in the body. You will reach it by putting some points and pulling and modifying some energy channels. One of the cardinal principles is relaxation, deep breathing, which are essential to allow energy, Qi, to flow. Let's take a look at the main benefits of the practice of Qigong. 1. Strengthening of the internal organs of the body. One of the main benefits is to act on those organs of your body that are in a state of greatest weakness, strengthening, healing, and rejuvenating them. 2. Improvement of cardiopulmonary function. Thanks to these slow and deep rhythms, Qigong can improve your cardio lung function better than traditional exercises. 3. Strengthening of the nerves. The nervous system is how the Qigong acts, and already after a short time you practice it, you will feel a beneficial strengthening of the nervous system. If you continue to increase the flow of Qi, it strengthens the nerves. Number 4. Muscle relaxation and strengthening. Since this discipline affects the muscles differently than the others, it also has another advantage. The Qigong allows you to relax the muscles and strengthen them through the flow of energy that you will flow through them. Number 5. Decreased stress. This is a result of Qigong's earlier contribution to your health. The ability to strengthen your nervous system makes it a particularly useful method to reduce the stress of everyday life. Number 6. Prevention of injuries in the bone, ligaments, and joints. Another advantage of Qigong is that it can help you avoid injuries to some of the most vulnerable parts of the human body, such as bones, ligaments, and joints. These are elements that are easily injured or broken but can be preserved thanks to Qigong's improved balance and better control of the movements, which are always kind and measured. Number 7. Speed up recovery from injuries and surgeries. The Qigong is also highly recommended if you need to recover from injuries or surgeries, both to allow you to continue to keep the parts not damaged, to open the channels of energy, and increase the natural healing capacity of the body. Number 8. Achievement of emotional balance. If you feel an absolute lack of balance in your emotions, Qigong can help you relax, acting on your feelings such as depression, frustration, or others. Thanks to the help of the Qigong, you can work on negative emotions, channeling your energy into others more positively. Please let me know in the comments if you ever practice Qigong. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.